Hello, guys, and good morning. Yes, as you watch this, I am still in my pajamas because I'm recording this on the same day. Actually, I'm doing 3 of them today. And yeah, oh, cat, come on. So you will see, there's one you're going to see on Sunday, this you'll see Monday, and then there'll be one I'm doing for Tuesday. Alright, guys, let's get into it. 5 tips for monthly meal planning. These are just 5 things I try to do. Shop your home. Seriously, shop your home. Look at what you have. Look at what kind of meals you want to do. Go through your pantry, see how much pasta you have, how much sauce. Do you have tomato sauce and a cat that run around in your video? No, the cat's a bonus. Do you have what you need to make a sauce if you have to, if you need to, or want to? I don't know. The answer for me is yes. I have Italian sausage, 2 of them, 2 different ways. I have tomato sauce, I have fire roasted tomatoes, and I have pasta. That's good. Now, 2. Pull recipes your family enjoy and try a new one. Okay, a new one for this month was Carrie Truman's honey lime chicken. OMG. Okay, this is going in rotation for at least twice a month. And instead of serving it over rice, I served it with a stir fry starter. I have 2 of those and a Mexican side. So you know what's going to be on for next month. I have lots and lots of chicken. I have shredded chicken I could do some enchiladas with, which I will. And we'll do that. Number 3, write your list out. Or put it on your phone. And stick to it while you're in the store. Don't go grocery shopping hungry. I do this all the time. And I always bring home more than I need. I will bring home about maybe a quarter of what's on the list and a bunch of impulse buys. Because like an idiot, I went in hungry. So, with that, go in with a full stomach and a plan with a list. Alright. Look at your sales. See what's on sale. And see what you need to build up on. Alright. I put y'all on pause so I can pull up Kroger's site because that's the store I usually go to. They have a lot of ways to save. My year-to-date savings is $209.40. OMG, I could totally go nuts with that on Amazon. But I won't. Now, you got your digital coupons. You got your weekly ad. You got your buy 2 get 1 free things. Of course, keep in mind, whether you have a Kroger or not, it's going to depend on where you live. If you live out in Utah, where Kimmy from She's in Her Apron is from, it's going to be a Smith's. There's another one, I can't remember what the name of it is, but there's several different names for the place. So, look at your ads. Look at your buy 1 get 1 sales. Those are usually pretty good. Like right now, when you buy 4 2 liters, they're 99 cents. Of Verner's, Dr. Pepper, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Now, y'all know I love my Dr. Pepper, okay? Plus, they have a Save More with digital coupons. They have a cereal deal. You can get Fruity Pebbles, bread with toast. I don't know why you do that. And almond milk that I get. But they have a lot of different ways to save. They have kielbasa sausage, private selection smoked sausage roll, 2 for $6, which is, you figure that's $3 each, which is not bad. Granted, Aldi's a little bit cheaper, at least it used to be. I haven't been here in so long. I haven't been able to get out there. But they have a variety of deals you can combine. They got a sandwich meal and pudding snacks. You can do 5 for $4. Well, okay, it's 5 for $5. Then you get $1 off with the coupon. So that's still pretty good. So look at these. Look at what you have. Remember, when you use one item, replace it with 2. Of course, if you're like me, you already have all that stuff. Once every 3 months, if you can, load up on a 10 for 10 sale. You will save so much money in the end run. Plus, you'll already have your pasta you need. You already have your sauces you need. So, those are my 5 tips for monthly meal plan. It's 5 things I've found that works for us, at least. I will see you guys later.